A busy afternoon weather-wise, tornadoes in several central Ohio counties, and we're keeping an eye on potential for more storms this afternoon. Thank you for joining us for NBC4 at 6. I'm Kyle Beachy, and we have declared today a weather alert day. So we're going to get right to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben Gelber with your most accurate forecast. And Ben, you were tracking those storms and tornadoes earlier. How's it looking out there right now?
Well, the worst has moved northeast. We made that decision last night to have a weather alert day today. We have a lot of potential, certainly a higher risk across the northern third of the state where we've had rotating storms and tornadoes. I want to show you some video that we've received through the afternoon hours. First of all, here's a good look at a wall cloud likely producing a tornado, but it's hard to tell because of the tree line. This is northwest Marion County, just north of LaRue. Before the storm crossed over US 23. And you can make out some rotation and a lowering cloud base with the funnel cloud just above the tree line, quite possibly on the ground. Again, it's a little bit hard to tell there. This supercell, which tracked about 150 miles of spawning tornadoes, really got cranked up just west of Kenton in Hardin County around noontime as a thunderstorm escalated into a rotating supercell. And a tornado-warned storm initially reported by law enforcement with debris in the air, and the damage appears to be just to the south and east of the city of Kenton. So this was a pretty nasty situation that escalated very quickly in our steamy air. 86 degrees, feels like 91. All of this action has been to the north so far. I mean, we definitely have a disturbance that amped up the storm potential with some broad upper level rotation and energy. And then here's the cold front with some trailing storms. But you can see when the storm produced tornado damage to the south and east of Kenton along State Route 67, see a little notch here. And then more as the storm cycled, tornado activity with a tornado on the ground near Loudonville. Again, where you see the little twist or notch in the line. And now we zoom back out and watch the cold front, getting some warnings up in Wayne and Holmes counties off to the north as that storm moves out of Ashland County, just thunderstorm warning. Seeing some rain and thunder perhaps up by Marysville. So it's been one of those days. The yellow box indicates a tornado watch, continues until 9 o'clock. Low pressure is now moving into Ontario. The cold front is the boundary between cooler and drier air slightly and hot and humid air to the south and east. So you can see the greater threat now begins to shift into northeast Ohio. But we still have that tornado watch, and we'll talk more about the storm chances for the remainder of the weekend, Kyle, coming up in a few minutes.
Thanks, Ben. And here's the aftermath from that Kenton tornado after it rolled through there this afternoon. An apartment complex there was in the direct path of it. A roof was taken completely off a garage, tossed onto a truck nearby. April Ryan, who lives in Kenton, sent us these photos. She says she's shook up after the worst weather she's ever seen, but she says everyone there is okay. And it's important to stay connected on days just like this. You can track storm chances right in the palm of your hand. Just download the free NBC4 mobile weather app, scan the QR code on your screen, or you can search NBC4WX in the App Store or Google Play.